Hey, it's Lawrence from Oasis Physio. We're just gonna go through some shoulder exercise today. So a lot of people now, their shoulders are really rounded forward, and that could be from using your phone or from working on a laptop all day. So we're gonna work on bringing the shoulders back, and this will prevent a lot of issues, and it will also help to alleviate some of the symptoms you might be getting in your shoulder, including pinching at the front, okay? So again, you're just gonna need a TheraBand, just tied to something solid that won't kind of fly off in your face. And all you're gonna do is stand facing the band, keeping your arms bent, and you're just gonna row into your body, coming back. And you should feel a nice squeeze into your shoulder blade. You shouldn't really feel any pain at all into the shoulder. So I'm gonna change the angle a little bit here. So when you do this exercise, you're going to row into your side, and you should feel a nice squeeze into your shoulder blade. Main thing to do is to keep your shoulders back and down. You don't want to be doing anything like this. That's going to hurt your shoulders. Nice and relaxed, squeezing back and down. In terms of reps, you want to do about 20 reps just to build the endurance of the shoulder. And this will kind of correlate and transfer over into everyday life and prevent you from getting that rounded shoulder posture.